IKEA's modular, sturdy furniture is the perfect blank canvas for customizing a dynamic, functional space for boys. Whether you're dealing with limited space, a passion for superheroes, or just need indestructible storage, these hacks transform budget buys into personalized centerpieces. Forget standard shelving. We're building multifunctional zones that grow with your child. Let's explore ultimate IKEA hacks for epic boy bedrooms in detail. The custom corner gaming desk, Alex and LAGKAPTEN. The robust combination of the LAGKAPTEN desktop and the ever-popular Alex door unit creates a professional-grade gaming or homework station that fits perfectly into a corner. Instead of standard placement, use L brackets to connect two desktops at a 90-degree angle, maximizing room space without sacrificing surface area. Paint the Alex doors a deep navy or industrial gray, and integrate affordable LED strip lighting beneath the desk edge for that cool, immersive glow that appeals to teens and gamers. Kura Reversal, the ultimate cabin hideaway. The Kura reversible bed is a blank slate for adventure. Assemble the Kura in the high bed configuration, but instead of leaving the space beneath open, enclose it entirely using thin, sturdy panels, plywood or a painted particle board secured safely. Cut out a custom window or porthole and paint the entire structure to look like a space shuttle, a medieval turret, or a wilderness cabin. This hack transforms the sleeping area into a personalized fortress or cozy, dedicated playzone beneath the loft. Vertical calyx mudroom locker. Boy bedrooms often suffer from floor clutter due to coats, backpacks, and sports gear. Transform a 4 or 5 cube calyx unit placed vertically into a dedicated locker system. Ensure the unit is safely secured to the wall. Install simple, sturdy coat hooks, like the bear grind, inside each cubby opening near the top, and label each section, e.g. sports gear, library books. The lower cubes can house Drona storage bins for shoes or bulky toys, teaching essential organization while maintaining easy access. Number 4. Moss Landa Floating Comic Book and Trophy Display. Picture ledges aren't just for framed art. The Moss Landa ledges are the perfect depth for displaying collected items like comic books, action figures, or small trophies without hogging shelf space. Install multiple ledges stacked vertically up the wall, spacing them approximately 12 to 15 inches apart. This creates a sleek, professional display wall that treats collectibles like curated art. Paint the ledges a dark, contrasting color to the wall to truly emphasize the collection. The Roskog Rolling Bedside Workshop. Ditch the bulky bedside table for the versatile Roskog utility cart. Its mobility is great for quick cleaning, and its 3 tiers offer substantial contained organization. The top tier is functional for a lamp and water, the middle tier holds books and charging electronics, and the bottom tier can be dedicated to craft supplies, Legos, or a gaming headset station. For a rugged aesthetic, spray paint the cart matte black or olive green, transforming it from a kitchen staple into a necessary piece of bedroom furniture.